Alright, so I have my RTX voice here on the screen. So I'm going to start clicking on my keyboard while I talk and see if you can hear me. Can you hear me right now? You probably can hear this quite loud. Now I'm going to turn on remove background noise, and as you can see, I'm still clicking. I haven't stopped clicking, but I'm curious to see whether or not you can hear the clicking, because that'd be pretty cool if it removed all the clicking sounds on the mechanical keyboard. And as you can see, the mic is pretty close, so I'll turn this off again. And you can see I'm still clicking. I haven't stopped clicking. And yeah, let's see if there's a difference.